Hello, we are kicking off the reporting module with a quick tour of the Reports Center and also a discussion about why reporting is so important. So let's navigate over here to the left sidebar to Reports. And you can see there are three tabs across the top. We have the Standard tab, which just has a listing of every report you might want to access. We are going to be most concerned with these two reports, the profit and loss and the balance sheet. So those are right there at the top. You can also get more detailed versions of those reports under Business Overview. And then depending on what you're trying to do in QuickBooks, if you're maybe trying to collect on your invoices, or you want to prepare 1099s and you need to see a report of all your vendors you've paid, there are reports in all of these various sections for that. We're not going to cover that too much here because, again, we're most concerned with the profit and loss and balance sheet. Those are your most important reports that you need to run for your business. Need to run those monthly, and we'll talk about that. I also want to point out this Custom Reports Center, and this is where you can customize your reports and then save them here, and I always recommend that you do that so that you can easily access those reports, click on them, and pull them up in any given period just to get your information really quickly. And the last tab is Management Reports, so you can put together different management packets, including different reports that you want to pull. That is an option as well. So let's talk about briefly why it's so important to run reports. We've been talking a lot about bookkeeping and all this work that we're doing within QuickBooks Online. The end game of all that work is to be able to run reports that show you information about your business, that give you insight about your business. So that is really why we're doing all of this. We're categorizing all these transactions and double checking them to make sure that our reports are as accurate as possible. And once we have accurate reports, you can get a lot of information from those reports that will help you make business decisions. So when you're starting to think about things like, scaling your business, hiring employees, should you buy more inventory, things like that, you need to see your historical data and you need to understand it, because that will give you the picture of what your business is like today, what is the health of your business, and then you can start to do things like forecasting and planning for the future. But again, we have to have solid data, and you need to be in touch with the workings of your business. So, we just really want you to be connected to your business finances so that you know exactly what's going on. So we're going to talk through these reports and how to pull some more information out of the reports so that it's a little more user-friendly for you. So keep watching future tutorials and we'll go into more detail about this.